Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your PowerPoint. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So when you click here on your photo profile, it's going to show for you list here like this. Then you click here on settings, you just click here on settings. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you click here on theme, you just click on it. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you click here on dark. So then you click here on get here. Then all you have to do now, you just exit from your app, then enter again. Then here it's going to enable with you here to dark mode. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.